Welcome to step 33 in the Fishes of Boneyard Creek Key. We're going to discuss if you have a brook silverside fish or if you will need to continue on in the key. So let's get started.
The first area that we are going to examine will be the dorsal fins. A brook silverside will have a spinous dorsal fin and a soft dorsal fin, and these two fins will be clearly separate from one another. Looking at the specimen on screen, we can clearly see a small spinous dorsal fin in the front, and it is separate from the soft dorsal fin in the back. This fish is possibly a brook silverside. Unlike the previous specimen, this specimen's spinous dorsal fin is connected to the soft dorsal fin, giving it the appearance of having a single dorsal fin.
If your fish has a single dorsal fin, it is not a brook silverside, and you should move on to step 34 of the key.
Although this specimen looks vastly different from the first specimen, it does have a clearly defined spinous dorsal fin that is separate from the soft dorsal fin. This fish is also possibly a brook silverside. In order to determine which of our two fish is actually a brook silverside, we will need to further examine the spinous dorsal fin. The spinous dorsal fin is the dorsal fin located closest to the fish's head. A brook silverside's spinous dorsal fin is comprised of 3 to 5 thin spines. This specimen's spinous dorsal fin has stout spines instead of thin spines. It also clearly has more than 3 to 5 spines. These characteristics exclude it from being a brook silverside. This specimen's spinous dorsal fin is clearly comprised of only a few thin spines. Because this fish's spinous dorsal fin is comprised of 3 to 5 thin spines that are separate from its soft dorsal fin, it is considered a brook silverside. If you are having a hard time determining if you have a brook silverside or not, you can use this additional step to help you decide. If the base of the pectoral fin is located near the upper end of the gill opening, as you see in this video, you have a brook silverside.
If instead you see that the base of the pectoral fin occurs far below the upper end of the gill opening, you do not have a brook silverside, and you should continue on to step 34 of the key. Thanks for watching step 33 in the Fishes of Boneyard Creek Key. If you need to move on to the next step, remember to go on to step 34 in the key. Thanks!